Good morning, beautiful people. It is currently 9:26 in the morning. Let's see, it's 9:26, and I have a nail appointment at 11:30. For those of you who do not know, I live in New York, and I feel like it's hard to get good quality service for cheap here. I am in college. I do not want to break the bank when I go get my nails done when I get maintenance. I became a nail girly myself. I do my own gel X extensions. I can do acrylic, yada yada yada. My boyfriend really wants me to get French tips, and I'm just not patient enough anymore to do my own French tips. I used to be patient. I used to do like all types of designs, and then I just became so disinterested in it. And I also can't get my right hand to look as good as my left hand because I am right-handed. This is currently what they're looking like. Ew. Right now. I did these myself in December for Christmas, and I went home for Christmas. I didn't bring any of my nail stuff back with me. I left it all in New York. So now they look like this. So now they look like this. They look horrible. These are my real nails, so I'm assuming they'll just cut them all down. I'm getting French tip, but I'm getting it with my natural nail. So I'm a little nervous about that, honestly. And I'm gonna try to make this into like a hack. Hopefully it succeeds as a hack, it doesn't fail. But I'm going to get regular polish done and put gel top coat and builder gel on top of the regular polish. Yeah.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So hopefully that works correctly. Hopefully it increases the longevity of them. And I'm going to do my own French tip toes myself. I have patience when it comes to that. But hopefully my nails turn out cute. Now it's 9:28. My appointment's at 11:30. And I have a couple things to do before then. But I have to soak these nails off. I have to soak them off. So that's what I'm about to do now. Okay, you guys, so I start by taking off my old polish. I just used the old filer I had lying around to file off all of the red. Filing off all of the gel polish makes it easier to file off the actual gel overlay, which is like the gel glue that you'll see that I use later on. I prefer to use a filer instead of my drill just because it's a little easier for me. Tools I use to remove the gel itself is the acetone that you see me pouring, and I use the cuticle pusher that you saw me present right there. So I just soak it for like, it's supposed to be for like 15 minutes, but I'm extremely impatient. So I soak them some, and then I scrape off the gel. And then you just see me buffing to make sure that they look a little presentable, and then I file them a little bit as well to make them look as crisp as possible, and so that I just don't go into the nail salon looking a hot mess by the hands, because even though it's their job to make my hands look good and presentable into shape, I just don't want to go in there looking any type of way. I was a little hungry, so I made myself some yogurt and I threw in some blueberries and chocolate chips, and that was my breakfast, and then I headed to the salon. Okay guys, I'm back. My nails are off, and it's currently 11 o'clock on, that's my Nana. It's currently 11 o'clock on the dot. My appointment's at 11:30 and it's a 15-minute walk. So I'm going to eat my yogurt, berries, and chocolate chips really fast and try to be out of here by 11:10.
Theory videos and
Guys, I'm back from the nail salon, and it's actually hours later. I went to my room because I was getting one of my windows fixed, and so now it's 4:02. The problem with that is that my nails have started chipping. I was typing, I just ate some chicken wings, and they're like messing up slightly on the edges. Yeah, I need to top these and show you guys the hack now. You do need a couple supplies with this, so it could be like an investment though. You just have to invest in these few couple products to make your professional manicure last long. Okay, so I think I'll do a couple things today. One is I want to add builder gel to my nails to make them stronger. I'm going to go slightly over the French tip with this gel polish, and I will then top coat it. Okay, you guys, this is the nail gel I was referring to. I just put it over my nails to make them a little hardened. I have my top coat and then I have my white gel polish as well. You do need a nail lamp for this, just to make sure that your gel coat and your nail glue dries. As of right now, you see me just going over my manicure with that gel glue that I showed you guys, and this is just to increase the integrity of them, to make them stronger. I then went in with the white, and the white is just to fix all the little chips that happen within the nails, because my white French tip did chip easily, and I guess it's to be expected because, like I said, it's just regular polish, but I was very surprised with how easily it did chip. I went back over my nails again with some more gel glue, and I also went over it with the top coat gel, just to again make them stronger, and then to seal in that white that I added onto my nails. So overall, I'm just trying to make sure my tips of my nails are solidified. As you can see here, this is my hand that I haven't done yet, and you can see that it's chipped. You can see the little chips within those nails, and then you can see here, this is the hand that I did finish on the right, and it looks way better than the hand on the left. So it's easy for you to see the actual changes in progress in my nails, and this is the finished product. I mean, I just saw the text message. No. Okay, you guys, my nails are done. As you can see, they look good. They're looking pretty good, and they're stronger. They have sound now. We have sound. Because at first they were just my real natural nails. It should last me at least 2 weeks, unlike the nails I had that the salon I did that was already messing up by the time I even made it home. That's partly my fault because I didn't come straight here. So that's the reason I had to use white to correct the tips. If you come home straight away after you get your nails done and coat them with the nail glue and the top coat, you will not have that problem like I did. So yes, that's my tutorial. That's my little life hack on how to get a basic manicure at the salon and to make it last and to upgrade your manicure at home by yourself. I want to say thank you for tuning into this video. If you thought it was helpful, please leave a like and let me know your thoughts in the comments, and just a reminder to subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Bye. You can trust in me. I can, you said I can trust in you.